All right, guys, going to show you how to change out the headlight bulb on the passenger side and on the driver's side for a 2014 and up Dodge Durango. Maybe guess 2014 to at least 2018. My model is a 2016 Limited. So, and I'm going to show you how to put these new beams on and show the difference between the factory and the new bulbs I just bought. So now when I first was researching this, you know, people was all at the top, you know, taking stuff out from behind the engine, but I found the easier way looking at another YouTube video. That's right here. Turn your make sure you turn your wheel all the way to the right or left so you can access this quick access port underneath the front wheel. Turn it counterclockwise to the left. It comes out like so. And it's another light bulb cover, like a round black plastic piece that sits right above the light. Take that out as well. That's what it looks like. And then you pull the light down out the socket, turn that counterclockwise to the left, and you pull the harness down with the light in it, and that just unclips. I take that unclips, just kind of gently lift it up, release the little clamp part, and it falls out. Just that easy, guys. And now, all right. So I meant to buy some grease stuff to put down in here to try to put some little grease stuff down in here to kind of knocks out condensation, but I didn't do that, so whatever. But I will advise it's some little light bulb, what they call light bulb grease, that helps stop water from getting on the connectors and shorten it out. These Durangos have an issue with their headlights going out prematurely. Most bulbs last at least 3 to 4 years. These only last about 2 for me. Maybe the issue with how I'm running the car, maybe with the automatic lights, that could be wearing out the light bulbs a lot faster. Put this on here. You hear it click, 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 click. And sit it back in the harness. And we're gonna turn it, instead of counterclockwise, we're gonna turn it back clockwise to lock it. That should be to the right. All right, so we got the bulb installed now, and we are looking at the we got the bulbs installed now. We are looking at the driver's side, this side right here, where the old bulb is in, and here's the passenger side, where the new bulb is in. Not much of a difference, honestly. It's kind of really kind of hard to tell during the daytime. The throw looks to be exactly the same here. You know, the beam, the brightness, but I guess we won't really tell until night. So I'll do another test at night before I actually swap out this one on this side. But I kind of see a little bit more light coming from that side. I don't know, but we'll see later. All right, so here's the view at dusk. Sun's coming down now. You can tell this side here is the old bulb. That's the new light, whiter, bright. You can kind of tell It's a little white there. You look at the throw, there's a little white head on at it. That beam on this side is a little orange. This one's a little whiter. We'll get the night views next, guys. And here's the nighttime view of the lights. Can't really tell. Like I said, this side right here is the new replaced ultralight white, supposed to be white. Let's check out the throw. The throw is a little whiter on this side, on the new bulb, but not much difference.